Good evening. Good evening. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to doctor. I am going to a doctor. What happened to you? What happened to you? I don't feel well these days. I don't feel well these days. Maybe you do not exercise regularly. I don't have time. I don't have time. You know I am with my work. I work all the time. You know I am with my work. I work all the time. That's why you don't feel well. That's why you don't feel well. Yeah, but I know that physical exercise is very important. Yes, you are absolutely right. Regular exercise will keep you healthy and you can avoid general sickness. In your opinion, what are the advantages of physical activity? The two most important elements in my opinion are keeping body fit and keeping weight under control. It makes body's joints more flexible and protects sickness. It means if I don't exercise regularly, I won't be able to keep my body healthy and fit. Exactly. What should I do then? What should I do then? Exercise regularly, either in the morning or in the evening. But in the morning is better. From tomorrow morning, I will start exercising. Great. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.